Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds because I got an update. Michael's had more new Happy Planner sticker books, 4 new ones. We're going to look at those, okay? We're going to do a little flip over here with the minis. Let you see the layout if it's horizontal, vertical, or dashboard. So, I can't go breaking up in there. So we just flip them over, let you get a close look at the layout. Then we're going to move on down, okay? Because my clearance section, Happy Planner Recollection, child, it was sweet. It was so sweet. I got you the video of that too, okay? Enjoy, and I'll be back throughout the video. Okay, girls, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up. Feel free to check out any of my other playlists. If you like these types of videos, I have Happy Planners, I have Michael's, I have Joanne playlists. You can check out after this video. Okay, here's the first new sticker book I came across. For those of you who are new, Miss Yo-Yo, she's a quick flipper, okay? I'm not a really quick flipper, but I kind of flip it, let you see it, flip it, so we go to the next page. So if you like to see a longer preview of it, please leave a comment below. If you like it this way, also leave a comment below. We're just gonna keep on going. Now here's the thing I'm going to tell you. When you see these washi strips in a sticker, these are perfect to cover up anything you don't like, okay? These are perfect for covering up anything you want to fix, are these washi strips. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of my in-store finds, make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Yoyofinds, because I usually post immediately when I'm in the store and I see something on clearance or a hot buy or something like that. I post them on Instagram and on Facebook like ASAP. So make sure you follow me at Yoyofinds. Okay, here's another new sticker book. Now, this one I can work with. Now, this one speaks to Miss Yo-Yo spending, okay? I like to track my expenses. I have been doing just writing a little list every day, but this right here, I can put a little header, build a little list in my list book for it, and track my expenses all week. This worked good for a girl, okay? Do you have a list book? What you tracking your expenses in? Do you have a planner that you're doing a separate budget book? Let me know. So, let me ask you, what's your opinion of the new release? I kind of like it. I think there's a lot of things that are not repeated that were in the old sticker books, which I'm really glad about. So, what's your opinion? Please leave a comment below. Now here's another Happy Planner beauty, okay? A colorful florals. I like this, okay? I love color and I love sticker books that have a splash of color. See that yellow right there? I like that. That's a good for a fix, covering up anything, any kind of mistake. You can never go wrong. Use those splash of colors for that, okay? And those long strips, those right there, that's my list book. Those are my list book fillers right there. Hey, it works. Okay, girls, it's time to get real. Tell Miss Yo-Yo what you bought. I know you bought something, okay? Leave a comment below. Tell me what you bought. Miss Yo-Yo tried to buy that black and white sticker book, but it wasn't working, okay? It was not meant to be right now, but I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it, okay? Tell me what you got. Okay, this is what Miss Yo-Yo been waiting for right here, okay? The black and white sticker book with a little dash of gold. They ain't nothing but class. Nothing but class. First of all, black and white ain't nothing but class. But when you throw a little gold on it, that's like juicing it up. Ooh, woo! This is good stuff right here. Whew, I went to go buy this sticker book. We'll talk about that later, okay? That's a story all by itself. Okay, I went to Michael's. I had my $8 coupon, okay, from my rewards. I looked at it this morning. I go to buy this sticker book, and guess what? The coupon is gone. Now, you know a girl had, ooh, I'm not even going to say anything, okay? I wasn't happy. I had some other things in my hand. I left it all, okay? Have you ever been like that where you so mad that you leave everything? I left everything. I'm waiting for the right coupon. I cannot do just a 20%, okay? You know me. Miss Yo-Yo tell y'all all the time, wait for the right deal, okay? Don't worry. Things happen at the right time, and I'm going to wait it out as much as I want this sticker book so bad, okay? Now here, I'm gonna take you down Clarence Road because you just had to see this stuff, okay? First of all, they had a big daily sheet, which I ordered the classic from the last chance sale. I ain't got it yet, okay? But I just want y'all to see some of the stuff that they had. I put some of this video on my Instagram, but just in case, you know, you don't follow Miss Yo-Yo on Instagram, you should be, okay? But I'm gonna just let you see what was in the store. Now looky, this is a hot clearance section. Michael's is on fire, okay? They've got Recollection, they got Happy Planner, 12 months, 18 months. Some of them are gonna run to December this year, and some of them are gonna run until June of 2022. They are 80% off right now. I don't know how long this sale's gonna last. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. There's way too much inventory at this store for this sale to end anytime soon. I'm gonna keep my eye on it, and I'll let you know, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds. I don't know why I have to introduce myself. Y'all know who I am. Y'all been here the whole time, right? Now, if you like these types of videos, I have a playlist full of more videos like this from Michael's, Joann's, Happy Planner, Recollection. You want it? I got it, okay? If you do, please check those out. And don't forget, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Yoyofinds. Did you hit that subscribe button? Okay, go ahead, hit it. Don't forget, all notification, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.